Hey YouTube, so I have my dad's battery charged up for the 91 F150, so I'm going to try another old start video. I just got to put the battery in and see if she starts. This is what the inline 6 looks like. And I'm going to slap the battery in it and see if she cranks. Some new battery clamps on this thing. That might be enough to start it. Have to replace those clamps. Clutch, neutral, key in. There's the fuel pump. Oh, she does run. Idle's nice and smooth. Not much fuel left in it, so I'm not going to leave it running too long.